Oswego County's family court judge, Kim Seager, is under fire for allegedly placing children in dangerous situations. Today, the county legislature called upon Seager's boss, Administrative Judge James Tormey, to step in and review how Judge Seager handles child neglect and other cases involving children.
I'm in hope that Judge Tormey and his staff will look at the decisions being made in that court.
On Tuesday, Oswego County Legislature Chairman Fred Beardsley called a special session. Inside this room were not only all the lawmakers, but also representatives of the Department of Social Services, probation, and school superintendents. It was held in executive session behind closed doors. I've learned that everyone was informed of several trends involving Judge Seager that some feel place children in danger. Last year, there were 2,944 child abuse reports in Oswego County, but only 1.5% of the kids were placed in foster care, the lowest in the state, where the average is nearly 14%. This bar graph shows a big drop in the number of court-ordered PINS cases, that is, persons in need of supervision, since Judge Seager took office in 2008. They were handed two appellate court rulings overturning Seager's decisions, in which a child was placed with a grandmother whose own children were taken from her because of neglect, and another in which two kids were forced to stay in a home plagued by domestic violence.
Probation and DSS, we're worried about the children's welfare at the end of the day, and just worried that we weren't placing enough kids in proper care.
On everyone's mind is the August 2008 death of 11-year-old Erin Maxwell. Though a jury convicted Erin's brother of her strangulation murder, investigators were horrified that she was forced to live in a home full of animals, garbage, and feces. Even more disturbing was that DSS caseworkers inspected the home 3 times and did not remove the child. The outrage that followed forced Oswego County to overhaul its policies and procedures for child protective services. But lawmaker Doug Malone, who attended Tuesday's closed-door session, sees no improvement.
I know that we threw a lot of taxpayers' dollars at it and bodies and everything else to straighten this out, and I don't think it's gotten any better.
Judge Kim Seager is out of town because of a family emergency. Her office referred all questions to Administrative Judge James Tormey.